Okay, what is the most satiating food on the planet? Well, we've all been taught that sweets will satiate us. That's why your mother always told you, hey, don't eat those cookies before dinner. If you eat those cookies before dinner, you're going to spoil your dinner. Don't eat those cookies, those sweet cookies. And how true that is. But isn't it funny that no matter what we eat, whether it's steak and eggs, rice and beans, potatoes and cabbage, whatever we eat, at the end of the meal, what do people want? They want something sweet. They want dessert. And that teaches us really two basic things. Number one, no matter how much food we eat, it does not satisfy our appetite, because otherwise we wouldn't be craving the desserts after dinner. And number two, it teaches us that we ate insufficient carbohydrates during the meal, leaving us craving carbohydrates after the meal. This is evidence really of our natural and substantial need for simple carbohydrates. You see, when we eat, there are two factors that give a feeling of satiation. Number one, we need volume. You've got to fill up your stomach, okay? That's a signal, okay, I'm full, you know? But fruit does that the best, because fruit is high in fiber and also in water. So it gives you that full feeling. And number two, the brain monitors blood sugar levels. And the brain does so as a method to determine hunger. As blood sugar levels rise, hunger decreases. So with these two factors in mind, it becomes very clear that sweet fruits are the best and most satiating foods. They're high in simple sugars. The blood sugar rises, but it does so gently with fruits. Not like you're eating a piece of chocolate cake or some chocolate chip cookies. That's a quick rise. Fruit gives you a gentle rise. It's a natural food. And don't let anybody tell you that the sugar in fruit is bad for you. It's not. The biggest problem we have today is the overconsumption of dietary fat, which inhibits the sugar from being utilized the way it should be. But when you're on a low-fat diet, fruit will never, ever give you a problem. And, you know, it also makes it very difficult to overeat fruits. Because of that sweetness, they satiate us. They fill up our stomach with fiber and water. So we know when we're full, okay, it's time to stop. And so fruits do that better than any other food source, better than vegetables. And fruits, remember, are number one, numero uno on planet Earth for the highest vitamin content. Yes, that's right. Remember that. The highest vitamin content. Higher than any animal product, higher than any vegetables. Fruits rank number one in vitamin content. Now, vegetables, of course, are very important, and they're the highest in mineral content. So you need vegetables as well. I don't only eat fruit, okay? I eat vegetables. So that's why a mono meal of fruit or a fruit bowl is the most satiating food, or meal, I should say, most satiating meal you can ever have. Absolutely. And I'm just about ready to dig in Today, what I've got is an awesome fruit bowl here. I had 5 frozen bananas. So I made like an ice cream out of that with a little bit of mango. So it's a mango banana ice cream. And then I've got a chopped mango on top with some blueberries and strawberries. So today so far I've had 3 bananas early this morning with a mango. And then I had about a quarter of a good size, football size seeded watermelon. I had about a quarter of that. And now I'm going for this for my lunch. And I can guarantee you I'm going to be satiated. 5 bananas, 1 mango, blueberries, strawberries, and I got some dried mulberries on top as well. The most satiating food on the planet, without a doubt, no question, fruit. Go for it. Make a meal of it. Do a mono meal or a fruit bowl, and you're going to find out it's the most satisfying and healthy food you can eat, without a doubt. So I'm going to enjoy this. Please give me a like. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you're notified anytime I put up a new video. So excuse me now. I got to leave. I got to fruit up. Take care.